Hi, I'm Kevin Main, and I'm here at the new global headquarters of CEDIA. You may know CEDIA from the annual trade show called the CEDIA Expo. The new global headquarters features state-of-the-art office space, a design and experience center, training and education facilities, and a custom theater. I want to show you the custom theater, so please follow me. Okay, we're in the theater now with Katie Bennett. Hi, Katie, how are you?
Hey, Kevin, good. How are you?
I'm good.
Good.
What a great space here.
Oh man, this space is really impressive. I got to tell you, just being in the room really gives you a sense of presence and expectation that the entertainment is going to be epic. Tell me all about it.
Well, you know, Katie, the first thing that I notice when I come into the room is how quiet this room is. I know the noise floor in the room is measured at 19 dB, and you know, if you compare that to a typical residential environment, which is about 35 or 40 dB, it's just so much quieter, and you can actually feel how quiet the room is. Some of the things that contribute to that are the acoustical treatment that's used in the room, and the fact that this room is isolated from the building. This room is built as a room inside of a room, and even there's been such care taken even in things like the door to the room, which weighs about 400 pounds, and it actually has a concrete core inside of the door. So these are the things that go into designing and building a theater like this. Of course, this theater was designed by the Erskine Group, and Dennis Erskine has really taken great care to make sure it's the perfect environment for watching a movie and showcasing what the technology experts can do in a residential environment.
So Kevin, one of the things that impresses me most about this room is just how clean it is. You don't see any technology, you don't really see any gear, but we all know it's here. We know it's here. Tell me all about it. What's going on in this room?
It's an 11.4.8 configuration, which means there's 11 main speakers, 4 subwoofers, and 8 ceiling speakers to provide height for the Dolby Atmos experience. The products that were chosen for this project include the Stewart Film Screen VistaScope MicroPerf masking screen, the Barco low-key CinemaScope projector, Procella loudspeakers throughout the room. These are all controlled by a Trinov Audio Altitude 32 channel processor, QSC amplifiers, and everything is powered by a Torus Power all-in-one panel. All of the electronics are actually housed in a separate equipment room, which is a best practice for a theater like this. So why don't we go have a look at the equipment room so we can see what's behind the curtain running all of this equipment. So this is the equipment room for the theater. You'll see that this is a separate environment, so it's temperature controlled, and all of the noise from the equipment is separated from the theater. It's really a best practice and what you want to do for a theater at this level. We're inside the equipment room now. You can see that we've got the Torus Power all-in-one panel running all of the equipment that's powering the theater. In this particular environment, because it's a commercial environment, there were a few things that we had to deal with on the voltage for this installation. In a normal residential environment, the voltage is coming in at either 240 or 208 volts. In a commercial environment like this, the voltage was coming in at 480 volts. So we've designed this all-in-one panel to step down from 480 volts to 120 volts to power all of the equipment in the theater. This is a design and engineering service that Torus Power offers to home technology integrators to make sure that the theaters are dialed in and operating at the right voltage. For anybody that wants to find out more information about CEDIA or Torus Power, check out cedia.net or toruspower.com.